Diam. Diam. Diam, balik ka.
Ready na? Ready?
Labo, hindi na ako.
Ready na? Okay.
Parang pala yun.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Get ready to answer fast and smart. Welcome to Friendly Feud. Today, we have two amazing teams ready to battle it out for the ultimate prize. Team number 1, Team Sigma. Team number 2, Team Riddler. Okay, so I'm the host and my name is Dean Kaylee Simula Cruz. Team Sigmas are Team Sigmas, Rian, JM, Alexa, and Eman. Team Riddler, Kathleen, Andrew, Mark, and Erica. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. So the team with the highest combined scores from the regular round and fast money wins the game. Okay. First candidates, first round, Mark and Emma here. A simple question is posed, and the first player to buzz or put your hand here or there will buzz in the correct answer wins the right to play the first round. Okay? Okay, round 1. 1, 2, 3. Wala pa! Okay, name a type of pet people keep at home. Okay. Dog. Meron bang... Oh, dog, 40 points. So Emma and your team will have the right to play the first round.
Family feud to ah.
Okay, kayo? Yes! Name a type of pet that people keep at home. Cat. Okay, let's check. Check. Okay, cat, 30 points. Rian, name a type of pet that people keep at home.
3.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alexa, name a type of pet that people keep at home. Answer?
Amsterdam. Neighbor dog.
Okay. Hamster. Your answer is wrong. Wala.
Dalawa na.
Next. Team Riddlers. Okay. Mark. Wala pa. Okay. Name a pet. Name a type of pet that people keep at home. Fish. Good. Okay.
Ito mo. Ang doon na rin. Ngayon.
Never mind. Round 2.
Never mind.
Let's move on to round 2. Okay. Mark. Name a household chores that people hate doing. 5.
Nakitay sagot eh.
Taking out trash. Okay. Taking out trash. 30 points.
Ganda.
What points are you? 70. How about you? 30 points. Okay. Andrew, name a household chores that people hate doing.
Dishes.
Yes. What about you? Okay, sabi niya na. I mean, you already said, have the answer. Nice. Oh, wrong. Washing the dishes, okay. 35 points. How many points?
70. Isulat nyo kasi sa ball.
One other score.
Sweeping. Tangan ako nakik.
Okay. For the round 3 and last race, for you to move on to the fast money game.
Ay.
Okay. We'll answer now. Okay, Matt?
It's me, mama.
Name an online game that people always play. 5.
Call of Duty Mobile.
1. What's that? What about you?
Pub.
Roblox. 5. 4. What?
Genshin.
Mark. Name an online game that people
Genshin.
always play.
Never Genshin.
5. 4. 2, 1. Name.
Minecraft.
Online game.
Nya. Kaya kagawa ka rin.
That's the Roblox. Call of Duty already said. Among Us.
Among Us.
Check. Okay. For the winner who got the highest score,
Ay, bad na. Family feud at
Kasi 7 minutes to